Of course, you know Raymond is our PS for Internal Security and National Administration. Then we have Professor Bitok, the PS for Immigration and Citizen Services. At the moment, we are waiting for a deployment for us, a PS for Correctional Services, due to the changes that were done in government about a week ago. But I also have service commanders here with me, the Deputy Inspector General of the Kenya Police Service, Douglas Kanja, the Commissioner General of Kenya Prisons Service, retired Brigadier John Warioba, and we have other senior officers. I've seen the Principal Administrative Secretary, Njega, and the Principal Administrative Secretary for the National Police Service, who is also the accounting officer, Banis Sialal. Good afternoon, and it's good to see all of you. On Saturday was my 6th month in office since I was appointed on 27th of October 2022. Let me start by saying it's a great honor for me to serve as our country's Minister for the Interior and National Administration. Those 6 months have been a journey like no other. Yet, as I have said, it's a great honor and privilege. And I want to thank the President for that responsibility is bestowed on me. 100 days after I was appointed, I did make an accountability statement on behalf of all my colleagues in this ministry on what by that time we were doing and thinking and planning about improving our security as a country. And I promised on that day, which was 6th of February, that every so often we will have a chance like this, 3-4 months, to again brief the public where we are. One, it's a good practice for public officials to be accountable to the people, even without being summoned by accountability organs. It's also good